I'm getting scolded this morning. I don't know if you can hear it, but I walked up on these big tailings piles here. Look at the size of this one. It's huge. And that one. And they run all the way up here. So I'm hoping to maybe pull a nugget out of here. But I was walking along and a small bird flew out at high speed. And I couldn't see what it was. I didn't get a good look. But here's why. Look right here. Now, is that a safe place for a nest or what? Huh? Isn't that cute? Now, it's not a cactus wren. I'm not sure what this is. Eggs are awful small, white. But it's in a safe place right there. I'm going to get away from it so that I don't disturb anybody. I just thought I'd show you that, share it with you. It's kind of cool. And we got a lot in bloom out here right now. Not a massive bloom like we have some years, but we have stuff blooming. As you can see, sage is blooming, desert sage. Nice little purple flowers. Pretty cool. And of course the creosote's got a few flowers on it. It's been a rough year. Anyway, I'm going to keep hunting in here. See if I can't scrape a nugget out. Well, so far nothing but trash targets. But this sounds okay. We're in a tailing pile. Dry washer. Pretty good sounding target. But there's a lot of trash here. I mean, that's unbelievable how much junk I've dug already today. It really is. I'm overdue for a piece of gold today. Moved it. Right here. Nope. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to turn this. There you go. Right in here somewhere. Okay, we got it. Fingers crossed. Tammy and I got smart and got some of these silicone rings. So we can have a ring on, but the machine doesn't hear it. I kept forgetting to take mine off, then I put it in the buggy or something and wouldn't know where it was at later, and I get in trouble for that. I felt something thump in my hand. I like that. Uh-oh. Okay, it's in my hand. It's a heavy piece right in the middle there. Let's see what we got. This one right here, and I think it might be a piece of gold. Right there. And it is. Ooh. Okay, there we go. First nugget of the day. Kind of a rough little guy. Yeah. All right. This has been hammered here. Yeah, I know. But it is. It was down. Oh, I suppose 5-6 inches in that tailings pile. That's a nice piece of gold. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's gold. We get it cleaned up, it'll look pretty darn good, I think. Looky there. Ha! That made my day. I was getting a little bit worried. Yes, I was. Now I'm a little bit worried because I don't have anything to put it in. I'm going to have to walk over to the buggy and get a jar. I'll be back. Well, this will make my day if it's gold. Just a screamer. dig her up. I'm right by where I got that nugget a minute ago. This one though, I'm guessing, this is gonna be trash, but you never know, but it sounds like trash. Actually, it sounds like a piece of wire, and there it is. Piece of wire. You know, but they're still here. I don't know why that wire's here. Unless somebody was using discrimination in here. I don't know. We've hunted this area for years. It's kind of a bizarre area. Yeah, we got a pretty good target right here. I didn't even kick any dirt off yet. Usually I kick the rocks off the top. A lot of times these pink rocks will be hot in here, and there are some pieces of magnetite stuff in here. Let's see what we got here. Shallow little spot. Alright, we moved it. That's sometimes not so good. It's right here. Got it. Sounds kind of raspy. Alright, it's in my hand. I think I see a little bullet fragment or something here. Yep, right there. Tiny little fragment of a bullet. It had a little bit of copper glinting on it. Almost thought it was a nugget. But hey, gotta take the good with the bad, right? Well, I thought this was just another hot rock. But after kicking some dirt aside and the rocks, it's still there. So, shallow, small, whatever it is. But I just dug a piece of bullet, not far from the spot. So, there's a good chance this will be another piece of that bullet. Up it. Oh, I thought I saw it. Thought it was a piece of bullet. Wow. Yeah, a little piece of screen wire. Don't we just love those, huh? Yeah. Well, there we have it. One nugget day, but that's better than a no nugget day. I had a wonderful time out here this morning. It was actually a little chilly riding out here on the buggy this morning. Temperature in the 60s this morning at home. 68, I think it was. Starting to slowly drop as the days get shorter. But we got this one nugget today. Right there. And let's get it wet here. There we go. It's got some rock stuck to it or something. But hey, it's a piece of gold. Probably 0.03 or 4. Nice little piece. It's sure better than just all the other crap I dug. I'm not going to bore you with it in this video, so it should be a short little video, but man, oh man, I dug a lot of crap. So I'm going to shoot a little bit of my ride home here, and I'll be right back. Well, wouldn't you just know it? I checked my map and there's 2 geocaches right about here. I got one up the road here a little bit, or on my way out. And there's supposed to be another one right here. So I'm going to see if I can't find this thing and sign the log and do whatever I got to do and move on. It's been a good day. 1 geocache so far, 1 nice little nugget, and on to the next geocache. Well, I found it. Sneaky. Yeah, right there. Right here. You're going to pull it out and sign the log. Something in it. So we'll go check this out. Now I've got a little stamp I use, and I also sign and date it. And it's a little tough to get out of the jar. We'll get it. Come on. Gotta get a hold of it here. There we go. Kind of cool. I put my little stamp on it. Didn't come out too good. Oh well. And then I'll sign it. And we'll go on to the next one usually, but I'm done for the day. So I'm going to sign this thing. And once I sign this thing, I'm going to head on home. I got a nugget, 2 geocaches. Puts me in a pretty good mood. So if you like these videos, subscribe, ring the bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. I'd like to hear from y'all. Nugget Shooter out.